Have you ever dreamed of starting your own food truck? Imagine bringing smile to faces with every icy, sweet, and refreshing treat. Introducing the Ciao Granitas Food Truck Startup Package, your all-in-one solution to launching a profitable food truck business. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or looking to expand your brand, Ciao Granitas has got you covered. Our packages include easy-to-follow recipes for delicious granitas, donuts, croissants, and more. Proven operational guides that simplify day-to-day running. Marketing materials to help you stand out from the crowd. And ongoing support because we're with you every step of the way. Picture yourself at a busy event, lines forming, customers raving about your mouth-watering granitas, and best of all, you're your own boss. With low startup cost and a proven track record of profitability, the Ciao package is designed to get you rolling fast and earning sooner. So, what are you waiting for? Your dream food truck is just a click away. Visit our website now and take the first step towards your delicious future. Ciao Bella, where sweet dreams hit the road.